this blower on this 6th gen here. Texas Harvey. This is an interesting car. This car was rebuilt. It was a flood car and was purchased from a guy in Ontario, Canada. And he built it just to bring it here and show it off. And help out the Texas guys down there from Hurricane Harvey. That's why it's named Harvey. Really cool story. We'll go back into the lines here. Get on the outside. It's getting a little darker so we can get some light action going soon. But as you can see, there's a bunch of cars here. And what's nice about Camaro is that once you see one, you'll never see one exactly like it. Everyone has their own taste. Like I said, every Camaro has its own personality, which is really nice. And everyone does something a little different. So you see a whole bunch of them, and we got some synergies here. We do. Some Synergy Green Metallics. How you doing? Good. I am. Car looks familiar too. I know that car. Oh, Synergy Greens look good in the camera. Yes, they do. Miss Shamrock was here. So we got a 5th gen SS with a Z01 hood scoop. Okay, like it's hot. When a nigga get an attitude.
Oh, lovely. Your shoes, sweetie, or baby.
Check it out.
Okay, then now I know.
Coming back around. Hell yeah.
I'm off the bike heading that way. He kept saying, no, it's gonna. Oh.
Tribute. On this video right here. I know, damn, it's in my video now. I gotta delete that. No, I'm just kidding. Check out those headers.